There's still a boatload of bees left in the box.
If anybody wants to get close enough to look in there, you can, but...
And they're already investigating the little cell thing.
Wow, it's amazing. Wow. Slowly. Yep. You don't want to startle them. Remember, they're already... I can hear them buzzing.
Yeah.
Look at how many of them there are.
It looks like dirt that's moving.
Anybody else want to take a look?
I want to take a look.
It's a living dirt.
Nice and smooth.
It's living dirt.
Well, go ahead and get things put set up here.
So the gaps in between each thing, are those big enough for bees to get in and out?
Yeah, exactly.
That's what I think that
I can see them slowly beginning to crawl out of the gap. Oh, there's two on your head,
Look at Charlie's. They're on his too. Are there any bees on
one on the front of you, then one on you.
Would you like some?
Ava, I think you're having fun with this. You wouldn't mind if you had bees on you right now, would you?
I'm itching.
Nope.
It's okay.
Bees can get adjusted in their new home.
Aiden, if you're done, wrap up a little bit.
I guess the bees don't want to leave because they've been in that box for so long.
Yep, they want their new home.
There's still a buttload of bees in the box. So are all those bees going in there?
Yep.
Huh. Do I have any neighbors on here? Yay! I'll tell you how long your legs are. It's just where the pants are like going out from like getting some stuff.
That's so cool.
Isn't it?
I wouldn't mind.
Hello.
I won't mind if any bees were on me. I think honeybees are kind of cute because they're so fluffy.
All I hear is talking.
I'll be honest, Ava. When I was young, I was afraid of bees.
Me too.
After hearing
Now look at him now. Professional beekeeper.
having their lawn, I was very confident that bees just going to let them do what they do, right?
No bee fight. No bee fight.
They're investigating.
Want to see?
Be careful.
What would you all think about if we had a contest to name the queen bee? Give her a name. Maybe you guys could make suggestions.
Bella.
Vote for it?
Elizabeth.
Okay, think about you. Maybe do that, Miss Amy. Come up with a
absolutely
contest
could.
to name the queen bee.
Ooh, Zoe. Like Zoe, but bee. Zoe. Or that one.
To be or not to be.
Beatrice the bee.
Dr. B.
Is there ever a king bee?
No.
There's only a
The only males in the hive are the
They
ones-
used to
I'm
think.
just asking.
They used to think when they first started talking about bees and stuff that the queen was a male because you couldn't tell, and they called it a queen because they just assumed males run things. But for bees, that ain't the way it is.
I don't know.
It's a little bit hubris there.
Skylar. You have one on the back of you, Joey.
Somehow. Oh, here we have a bee friend.
We have a bee, Basin,
Where? Where's the bee on me?
on your veil.
Oh,
Where?
On the edge, on your left edge.
I'll call you Charlotte.
And it's Starla the bee. Has anybody who owned bees named every single one of them?
No, I don't think so.
Be a lot of naming.
They don't live all that long either. And the workers only live about 6 weeks in the summertime.
Hello.
I didn't want to.
Oh, I'm sorry, dear.
I want to name one of the bees Buzz Lightyear.
We'll pick one out. Name it Buzz Lightyear.
You can have Buzz Lightyear 1 and Buzz Lightyear 500.
Invite Buzz Lightyear. Oh shoot, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm going to put this in here because it's cold.
And you're tired of shaking it?
No, I'm not getting any more bees out. So these bees will come out of here, go down in the hive and in that hole, and they'll all go inside the hive here.
There's still a couple bees hanging at, I can't talk, hanging around the can.
Yeah, they will.
That's where the food supply is
So you
right
don't
now.
put the can in with them there?
Huh?
You don't put the can in?
Is this how you should move?
I'm not going to put this can in, I don't think.
Did you bring up dessert?
Thank you, sir.
And you just don't want to ever sneeze because they're so delicate.
You won't believe that the bee is gone.
What did you bring me, sir?
Mary,
Yeah.
in the back of the car, I think there's some
Dead bees.
shims. You want to get those for me?
I call one Jimmy.
Jimmy the bee. I was never afraid of bees, I just didn't really like them.
Someone should name one of them Barry B. Benson.
Barry B. Benson.
You're coming up with all kinds of names. We'll put you in charge of naming the
The right
bees.
one, Barry.
Barry B. Benson, you get over here, right? Listen.
Ava, we expect you to, by Monday, to have 10,000 bee names. All
Okay.
starting with B.
Beatrice, Bella,
Bernard.
Bernard. That's all I can think of.
Betty.
Ryan.
Bucky,
I'm
Bill.
looking to see if I can find
I
Bernard.
named that one there.
Is that the one you named, Joey?
I named that one
Bubba.
Brother.
Bubba.
Bubba the bee.
Name one of the drones that.
Bubba, get over here.
I go with Buzz.
There's one right there.
Careful, Joey.
You have a bee right on the middle of the top and then one on
Don't
the top.
Be careful.
That way that's in the back.
Remain calm.
Yeah.
Remain calm and be
Oh, one of
something.
I'll send
right
them
there.
this bee for you. Get it?
Yes.
Okay, now you can see that. You can see kind of the fuzz on it and stuff.
Buzz 2013.
Yeah, bees have 6 legs.
That bee on your sleeve is bigger
Hey,
than the one on your
Ava,
hand.
remember we learned about the legs today because you asked me about
Yeah.
bees have knees.
That one's a lot bigger.
I call that one Jimmy B.
Did you guys know that bees have like
Slowly walk away, right?
six parts of their legs?
Because remember,
Parts, don't they?
Yeah.
no, that's only if you go into
Was
a
it in-
black or
was it-
soft. Which, that won't happen. If you've been stung before, you'll be fine.
Was it in between the
We'll just
tibia
have
and
to
the
This
fibula?
is a
Was that
drone.
Water, right?
This is a
For
male.
stinger first.
Are there male and female drones or just male drones?
All males, drones are all males. He can't
Name
sting.
is John.
Oh, we should get all drones so we never have to worry about getting stung.
So we just need to be careful, right? And calm.
What kinds of bees can sting?
Yeah, no.
Bob. Almost all bees
Yeah,
can
Bob.
sting, but it's only the females
Oh!
that sting.
Oh, there goes the drone.
Drone down. Drone Bubba I can't talk. Drone Bubba down.
I mean, when we have Bob.
Can you go away?
Ava and Joey, they're just
He's interested in your family.
very good.
He thinks I'm
One
a flower, a blue
inside
flower.
that cage
Or a
is
white flower.
Black
A
Bowser.
white and blue flower.
Is what?
And yellow
Black
from
Bowser.
and pink.
Now you can see this one here is making the scent.
That's Black Bowser.
So the way they make the scent, they basically just raise their butt.
Yep.
Basically.
But
See, that one's doing it too.
I also heard when a bee finds something special, they go back to the hive and do a little dance.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right.
Do a little bee.
They dance and tell the other bees where to find it.
That's why I named one.
Bee
Let's
dance.
call all these bees the Bee Gees.
And I was like, I don't know, do they?
I thought
Oh, the,
Bee-
the Bee Street Boys.
I thought it was.
Oh, I thought that was Bee.
You know that one that am I messing with you or has me?
Bee.
Yeah.
Now, if this were warmer, there'd be a lot more bees in the air. But they'll
Are the
all
bees
settle
outside
in.
trying to find a way in?
Yep.
Eh. What's that?
It's a bee.
Oh,
What do the drones do again?
they go and find flowers, I think.
They go and find girlfriends,
or
basically.
that.
They're just there to be daddy.
I mean,
If
some
they need that.
some humans call girlfriends
Somebody
flowers.
loves
So,
that.
that's close.
Now, you see these ones I was picking up? Those are workers. They could sting me, but they didn't, did they?
Boss?
That's right. Don't mess
Love
with
it.
Because you're slow and smooth. What do you think, Pop?
Now, one thing, once this is set up, you want to remember, you guys are not standing in the best place. There right now, it's not a problem, but these bees will be coming out there and going to get things to eat. And if standing right in front of them, sometimes they don't like you standing there because you're in the way, right? Can't get in the house. I can't get in the house because you're in the driveway.
Oh, you're making it easier for them to protect it now.
There you go.
Hey, you're doing great.
Yes,
You really are.
you're going to be a beekeeper when
You
this
have a
is.
couple bees on the top of
Mr. Wolf, how good am I doing?
You're doing excellent.
You are doing
About
good.
that too. You guys are all doing
You're all doing great. So you see, bees are not
That bad.
are not bad.
I
They
mean,
do
they
a lot
are.
of good things. They make apples for us, make fruit and stuff, make honey.
After they finish making the honey and milk, and we'll put some in jars and give some to our family.
Sell it, huh?
One of them being happy.
Oh, okay.
That was being
In
happy.
there. It'll be okay.
You were getting nail in it?
I think he does maybe put a nail in it.
Is there?
So it stays how far away.
Oh.
Oh, more marvelous invented. The thumbtack.
The most important invention to humanity. The thumbtack.
They are very useful.
I love that joke.